I should have grabbed the scissors. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So it say, so this is the Sony. What? See this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Minalicious. If you are new to my channel, welcome. It's your girl Minalicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe because you know we all about the good vibes and all that. And if you already have subscribed, you're amazing. You already seen the title. Today I'm gonna do a review on my first official YouTube vlogging camera, and I can't wait, y'all. It's gonna be amazing, okay? I got packages from the mail. These are the packages that came in the mail, and yes, I ordered it from Amazon, and it was a lot, okay? It was like really like about almost $1,000. You know, it was all worth my money. Let's see if it was worth my money. Because, you know, I do need a camera for good quality camera for all this vlogging and YouTubing thing. So I decided to get a camera. And it's called the Sony ZV1. I'm going to go ahead and open this first. I should have grabbed the scissors. So I'm so excited to open this. And I did order like the stick that comes with, like, you know, the holding stick for vlogging. You see this? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So it say, so this is the Sony. What? See this? Oh my god. Is this the camera? Oh no, this is the vlogging kit. You see this? This is the vlogging kit, y'all. It says the Sony Vlogging Kit. It is a vlogger kit. You see this? It's the stick. Ah! Let me see. It says it has grip features. It has wireless control, Bluetooth camera. You know, it has the C1 button on the grip to recall the paired cameras, some stuff like that. I really like this is my first camera and first all that. Like, I'm just so excited. It has this like fully enclosed cable free grip design, keeps dust and moisture out. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this. We're gonna open everything one by one, okay? We're gonna go off and start with this vlogger kit, and it's from Sony. This is my first time. I've never had this before. Oh, okay. You see how that book just flip like that? Y'all see that? It just flip it like, oh, surprise. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I see you. Ooh, okay. Go open this up. And when we first open it, wow, that's so cool. Ooh, we got one more thing in here. It is the Sony, the SD card, okay? It is the SD card. It is 64 gigabytes. And it comes with it, and that's so awesome. And then here's the original box. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh, I want to be extra careful with this, cause you see this? Don't y'all like this stuff when you guys order something? I always like start popping the bubbles, like, you feel me? Enough with the bubble popping. So this is it. Wow, guys. Y'all see that? That is so... Ah! You know when you vlogging like, hey, y'all, it's your girl with Delicious. This is cool. Honestly, like, oh my god. It opens. Oh, I like how it like rotates. You see? It has like 3 parts like this. And you see it has that battery, like where you put the battery and you can open it. It was crazy opening. But you open it like that, and that's, I think, where you put the battery in. That's cool. See that? That's really cool. That's so awesome. That's cool. That's where you put the battery in. Okay, we're gonna read the manual kit later. But that's cool. I like how it like opens and closes. You know, when you want to set it down. Like say you want to set it down. You can set it down like this. Okay, I see me. I see me. You set it down like that. You know, when you set it down on the table, you can set it down like that. Okay, okay, okay. And you just close it right back up like that. So it's cool how it has this like record button right there. Then taking a photo, locking it, ZV1. That is so cool, y'all. I've never had this before. So, you know, when you vlog in or like you have your camera and you're like, you know, get into it, you feel me? Okay, so we're gonna read the manual kit because I don't know nothing about this. Okay, this has the thing that comes with it, the bag, you know, when you're trying to secure the bag type of thing, you know, when you're securing it, you know. You be like walking around, you know, it's all secure, like, you see me, yeah, you see my new bag, let me know. Okay, I guess that's the bag for it. I'm gonna set that to the side. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you guys subscribe, okay? And this is just the manual, you know. It just came with 1 battery. That's cute. Okay, it came with 1 battery. That's cool. You do that. Oh, look at that. And then you just set the battery in there. Like this. That's cool. And then you just close it back up. And that is cool. Oh, okay. I just like press this up and down button because I don't know nothing about this. And I'm just reviewing it. And it's like, I pressed it on and it like started blinking. You feel me? That's so cool. This is where you put your camera in. Okay, okay. I'm still learning about this, okay, y'all? Bear with me. This is the instructions, like what it will do, and you know, there's instructions, you know. I'll put that to the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my favorite part, the camera, y'all. Like, I'm so excited. Hard time. It is so hard trying to open these. You guys ready? Whoa. You guys ready? Because I don't even know how it looks like, y'all. But I'm going to show you guys before I show myself because I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm holding it right, but... Okay, I'm going to open my eyes now because I'm surprised myself. Okay? Okay. Wow! I'm so excited. It is the Sony digital fly. Oh my god, y'all. Content creation made simple, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is how it looked like. Whoa, opening it.
That's so cool. You see that? A lot loud.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It comes with this, which is the USB. This. And guys, this is the camera itself. It's so small. So this is for the camera, you know, the camera's instruction. So this is the camera. It's so small, guys. Oh my gosh. What? Look at this. It's smaller than my hands. And it's just so perfect, you know. It's so beautiful and perfect. This is how it looks like. This is amazing. It's so perfect. And I like how, what? Look at that. It flips out. You know, wow, guys, look at this. I like that. I can't wait. Because you know me, what? It's so, oh my gosh, it's perfect. I like how it has the flipping screen, you know, it's really nice. That is so awesome. This is the record button up here, you know, and all this on and off button, extra stuff. It's really small, guys. It is so small. Like, look at this. Like, what? And then we got the Sony battery. It's battery. We're gonna put it in because I think this is where you open it. This is the battery right here, the battery part. And then you just put it in. I think it's the other way. You see that? Click. Yeah, and you just lock it like that. We got the windshield, what is it called? It's called the windscreen, because you know, like when you're like blogging out in like the wind, it like protects, like your voice can come out more clear. So I heard you put the windscreen thing right here. I was kind of struggling to open this, so I guess you just pull it up to get this out, this part out. And you just put it right back in there just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. This is the record button, and then to turn it on, it's kind of like right here. Okay, so it turned on and you see the English. It's not a touch screen. That's how you open it. You feel me? You see this? You see how good that looks compared to like what I'm using right now? That is so cool. So this is the SD card that you insert inside the camera. And let's try to open that. Y'all know the struggle of opening things. This is like the microphone. If you have a microphone, you could put that in there right here. In the microphone, you could put it there. And then this is the charging. And this is the HDMI right here to connect to the computer. I'm still reviewing this. This is my first time, so I'm excited to use this. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, guys, so I figured out where the SD card goes. The SD card actually goes right where the battery camera goes. Right. You see that extra opening? Yeah, that's where it goes. So this SD card, it came with it. So I think it goes this way. Yeah, it does go this way. And it's in there. To close it, you have to press lock and then turn it on. I'm just going ahead and setting the date, time, and all that extra stuff. We're in. So this is how it looked like after you done everything. You press OK. It's preparing. So y'all can see it's preparing. Y'all saw how it just came up like that? So yes, this is how it looked like. Okay, that's how it looked like. I'm so excited. Y'all see how it looks? I just took a picture. Like, I gotta go ahead and do a lot of like settings on this and figure out, wow, guys, I just took a picture on this. Look how good that looks. Like, y'all see that? way better than what it looks on this camera here. Like, I just took a picture. Wow. This is good. So I'm like recording myself, and this is how the camera looks, guys. Compare to like what I see on there. I'm gonna give you guys a vision of how this camera looks. This is everything. Like, what? This is really awesome. I love this camera so far. It's giving me good vibes. I'm still learning. You see how you could zoom in, zoom out, do all that stuff? That is awesome. Record button, all that. You know, I'm still getting used to it. I'm excited to use all this equipment. So this camera is amazing. I can't wait to use it on the future vlogging and future YouTubing and everything that I'm doing. I cannot wait to use it. It's amazing. This was worth my money, y'all. This was really worth my money because, yes, like, I love everything about it. Don't know much about it, but I'm gonna read more. And like, this was just my review and my reaction on this camera and everything. This is so amazing. I love it so far. I love it. I can't wait to use it. And that is it. I'm just gonna wrap it up, and thank you for watching, guys. That is my reaction about my new camera. I cannot wait to use it, y'all. If you are new to my channel, it's your girl Manalicious. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button right there. It is right there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because I will be doing more videos about a lot of things because there's so much more videos coming, y'all. Thank you if you have already subscribed. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. You guys are everything. I'll see you guys next time on my next video, okay? Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye, y'all. Bye.